Looking for a relaxing adults-only getaway? Sunprime C Lounge might be just what you need. This elegant 5-star beachfront resort is designed exclusively for adults, offering a peaceful and sophisticated atmosphere. Guests love the stylish rooms, high-end spa treatments, and delicious dining options, including fresh Mediterranean cuisine. With a stunning beachfront location and quiet ambiance, this hotel is perfect for couples and solo travelers. Some visitors mention that the nightlife is limited, but if you're looking for a relaxing retreat, this is the place to be. Would you stay at Sunprime C Lounge? Let us know below. Like and subscribe for more travel reviews.